The community engagement coordinators are like a bridge to community. I think a lot of community members, they don't really know how to reach the city, or they may not have the connections. So we play that piece, that really important piece of connecting community to the city and to the resources of the city.
A lot of the other positions that may do community outreach within the city are tied to either specific projects or specific departments. Our community engagement coordinators are very aware of a broad variety of what's going on in the city. I may not always know the answer, but I can help connect them to someone who does.
Whether it be litter abatement programs, Find It, Fix It, we connect them with other resources in SPU. It could be events, happy things, or it could be things that they want to elevate, some things that they want, someone higher in leadership to know about so that they can kind of find some solutions. Things like that are just powerful, where people can take those resources and kind of make their vision in their neighborhoods come true. So.
The Chinatown International District has been an underserved community with a lot of communication and language barrier issues for years. And sometimes we might not have as good understanding of how the city or the administration system is working internally, and Laura will let us know who we should talk to or what we should do to make sure the communication between the community and the city is not only smooth but also effective.
When I am bringing back what I'm hearing from community to other city staff, I'm not necessarily speaking on behalf of community, but just kind of raising up what they're saying. And so I just think that that's the most important thing, even if it's not something that the city wants to hear necessarily, I'm still communicating that to them.
When we do outreach and things, we really like to connect with groups in community who are we consider trusted partners. At the beginning of the pandemic, it was a situation where we needed to get information out there. So we kind of tapped into people in community that we felt could actually touch base with some of these smaller groups and people that we couldn't reach.
During COVID, the Rainier Beach community was listed as one of the highest risk communities that were being affected by COVID, yet we were the least in getting vaccinated. So we were contacted by Alvin and his team to see what efforts we could do to help, increase the awareness of the vaccination and how to reach our community. We have an event that we call Barbershop Chat, Chew, and Play. We invite our community to definitely come for the cut, but stay for the conversations.
The Barbershop Chat was actually a great event. It was really important because in that time, people were very hesitant on vaccinations. So there were barbers on the scene who were giving haircuts, giving free haircuts at that. And that kind of drew people in. But then also in that event, they were able to have doctors and things like that on the panels and kind of talk about vaccinations, all while people are getting haircuts.
Our focus is on education, health and wellness, and positive social change. So we were just really super thankful for Alvin and his team for reaching out to us to bring that, support to our community.
I know we don't always get it right at the city, so that's why it's important for us to kind of lean on the community to be able to kind of tell us, what they need in their neighborhoods, because they live there, they know better than anyone else.
Every organization needs a voice. I think the community engagement coordinator is so important because they serve as a voice to the BIPOC community. They're realizing that we need to be heard, not only helped, but heard. They're opening up opportunities for us to serve what we wouldn't be able to serve. So we're thankful that they're there.